everybody. Ito na po Manila. Kay magsugo na po ta sa Tumpana. Hello sir. Thank you. So hi everybody. So actually I'm here at the parking lot. Today sa airport. And then karon going ko sa hotel. Amo ang hotel tra. Savoy Hotel. Ako na lang siyang gibaklay kay gibaklay na lang na ako. Kay 5 minutes naman. 5 minutes naman na kaon. So why not? Baklayo na to. Kay kung magsakay ta sa mutag nata diri sa Manila. Kung magsakay ta, makapamasahe na yun ta. Pamasahe tag 500. 300. Nalabdi mo nga scammer diri nga driver, taxi driver. So, it's better to walk na lang. Araman po siya dra, oh. Bakay ta. Ay. For chicken, sir.
Para your ID.
Any 50 government issue ID.
Thank you.
Separate payment.
Parang yung nakapangalan sa husband ko, Robert Higgins.
So I will collect 18,600. Yes. Pero ayun ma'am, 5-6 po. Okay naman.
Your name is already here as well.
Okay.
Mr. Robert will arrive around what time?
Around 11.
11. Alright.
Mm-mm.
So I found your booking. You're staying here for one night only. The
Correct.
party will be tomorrow, that is November 19th.
Correct.
For 2 adults, 1 bed inside. This is with breakfast for 2.
Yep.
And paid already online.
Yes.
I will not collect any deposit.
Alright.
So if you wish to order food, ma'am, just pay as you order.
Okay, okay. Alright.
One moment.
So, dito tayo ngayon sa Savoy Hotel. At check-in tayo.
Araw po yung pag-dito. Sorry na kasi nakapilitin dun. Kanina sabi ko marami tao. Smell yun.
Here, ma'am, you're on 6th floor. Elevator going to room on the side. Far and left. All of the rooms are no smoking, so if you need anything inside is that room.
Alright.
Then, since the reservation is with breakfast, The breakfast will start every 6 till 10 a.m. here at the Sabay Cafe. No need to bring anything on this mention your room number.
So where's the elevator?
Here, ma'am. Far and left.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-check-in. Check-in. Ang nadarilo. Grabe ka na isang ilang place. So, ano kayo sa Sato Hotel. Kung sa itong kamera kayo marag lubog. Okay, there you go. So, nanatatry sa itong hotel. Alright. Welcome. Okay. So, mao ni siya to ang room. Ang taglight. Yung git-git. Okay. So, money siya. Finally, nakabuta jud. Grabe. Ikapoy ko kay 3 hours. 3 hours ko sa 4 hours ko sa airport. Delete ang flight. I don't know why. Uy, let's go. Hadlock ba? Kuyawan ko sa TV. Hadlock ba? Nagkalit naman siya gandar.
This after President Trump himself flip-flopped on this bill here for months. They're trying to kill it, saying that this is and criticizing mayors who are supporting this plan. But late Sunday night, he made a big change. He said he was going to support this bill.
Ngit-ngit man ilang hotel ay. Mara mag-horror house. Nakita ko silang pool area. Kita sa ilahang pool area.
Saan po kayo? Second floor? Saan po kayo? Natin pasada po itong place.
So sa tayo,
Ito, ano po yung floor nyo? Ano po floor nyo?
6.
6 po, you can pass forward. Pero sa dito, tama na kita. Patbalik nila lang. Ang post nyo, doon po yung elevator.
Oo.
That's going back to your room po. Pwede po siya. Pass through, ano yan?
Oo.
All the way po yun, pwede po siya.
Okay.
Sige po. Kaya dito po yung pool.
So, thank you.
Sige po.
Wala tayo. Wala man ta. Excuse me, meron po kayong towel?
Towel for the food.
Okay, thank you. So look, gabi ka nice. Natadiri sa ilang pool area mo ni siya. Sorry, dili niyo ma-appreciate karon ang view kay ngit-ngit na. As in ngit na. So ang kanay diri kay ano man siguro no. Hindi na siya diri. Mahadlok na ako maglakaw-lakaw kay Daghan nga yung mga buang-buang diri sa kuan. Diri sa Manila. Chill-chill sa while waiting. Unya mga alas 10. Alas 10 man maabot ang plane nito. I mean, alas 10 pa siya maabot. So, hi! We are at the room now. Nanata karon sa room. Sa mukha. So, money siya. Wala siya. Money mong room. Adra ang bathroom, toilet. Basta man na to. Hindi na lang ko mag-video kay. Mulakad pa ko. Magpat ko bulak. Okay, sundo na to niya si Robert. Ito bush. Get ready with me. Okay, mo pick up na ta. Dili ikaw. So, nag-ready ako. Kay, i-pick up na to si husband. So, mo niya akong outfit for the night. Padrong sa airport. Nawa ko ng little surprise para sa iya. Welcome back. So, okay, outfit check ta. Okay. Okay, sige, let's go. At na sa airport.
Target spotted.
Okay, come on, let's wait. Because I just called the Grab.
Oh, you just call.
Mommy did it again.
Look, can you read it? What it says there?
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Hi everybody. I just make a little surprise for my husband. Just a little surprise because he deserves it. A long flight from America to Philippines. So, it says welcome back and says I love you.